Welcome to the world of infinite possibilities, where the power of the mind and the law of assumption converge to shape our reality. Today we'll delve into the teachings of Neville Goddard, the man who discovered the law of assumption and how it holds the key to create the life of your dreams. Embracing a simple truth about your life can bring about a significant change. The biggest obstacle to manifestation is failing to recognize that your imagination is the only true reality. To overcome this, one must understand the concept of the Creator as explained by Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard was a trailblazer in the field of manifestation, popularizing the law of assumption. He believed that assuming success and holding on to that belief with unwavering persistence would lead to success without fail. To put it simple, act and feel as if what you want is already your reality, and it will become a reality. Want to be a successful CEO? Start embodying that role and feel confident in it, and watch the manifestation take shape before your very eyes. The law of assumption operates on the principle of treating your desires as if they already exist. This simple idea can be a double-edged sword, propelling you towards success or hindering your progress, depending on how you utilize it. Take the holiday season, for instance. If you approach it with the belief that you'll gain weight from all the goodies, you'll likely find yourself feeling those negative thoughts. And when you step on the scale after a few weeks of indulging, you'll likely see the number go up. On the other hand, if you adopt the assumption that you can enjoy the treats while still maintaining your figure, your thoughts and energy will reflect this positive outlook. As a result, when you step on the scale, you'll be pleasantly surprised to find that you have maintained your weight. It's important to note that negative thoughts and assumptions lead to negative outcomes, whereas positive thoughts and assumptions pave the way for positive results. This requires accepting the idea that our thoughts hold immense power in shaping our reality, even if it means taking responsibility for our current circumstances. Although it may be difficult to accept at first, recognizing the power of our imagination can be a truly mind-blowing experience. By recognizing the impact of your dominant thoughts on your reality, you can grasp the power of imagination as the ultimate truth. This understanding accelerates manifestation and eliminates worries and recurring issues. Embracing this truth allows you to stop seeking validation outside of yourself and to trust in your own imagination. Life itself can serve as a teacher, as evidenced by coincidences that align with your thoughts. For example, thinking of someone you haven't seen in a while, only to have them cross your path, or a song appearing in your life after being in your thoughts. These instances demonstrate the power of imagination in shaping reality. Think back to moments of serendipity, when everything seems to fall into place. You may have attributed it to luck, but the truth is, it's not a coincidence. The direction of your energy, and hence your reality, is determined by where you place your attention. So, everything you see in your reality is a manifestation of your thoughts and assumptions. Your imagination holds immense power, as it shapes not only your perception, but also the reflection of the world around you. The laws of quantum physics support this idea, as the double-slit experiment demonstrates how matter behaves based on the observer's assumptions. In essence, every experiment involving waves and particles that make up all forms of matter showed how the results are influenced by the observer's perspective. Embrace the power of positive assumption. To manifest your desires, shift your mindset to believe that everything is already in place, just as you desire. Your internal state and beliefs heavily influence the reality you experience, so adopting an optimistic outlook and carrying yourself as if you already live your desired reality is key. Remember, you have control over all aspects of your life, relationships, finances, and events by simply assuming they exist and act accordingly. Embrace your imagination as the source of your reality. With this understanding, there's no need to manifest or feel out of control. By fully believing in and feeling your desired outcome in your imagination, you activate the law of assumption and attract evidence that supports it. This concept is known as navigating reality through intention, a principle explored in transurfing. Remember, your imagination is the only true reality, and you hold immense power in shaping it. As Neville Goddard stated, identifying with your imagination, instead of external circumstances, is the key to unlock the core of reality. So, ask yourself, what kind of relationship do you have with the world, life, and your future? Do you hold a positive assumption or a negative one?